Welcome back to the Utah Divorce Terms Glossary video series. Most definitions are from or based upon Black's Law Dictionary, but some definitions are taken from Utah sources or are my own. And this is a good example of today's. This is directly from Utah sources. Today's term is supervised parent time. This is parent time, usually court-ordered, in which a parent may visit with the child or children only in the presence of some other individual, the supervisor. A court may order supervised visitation or parent time when the visiting parent is known or believed to be prone to physical abuse, sexual abuse, or violence. In Utah, supervised parent time is defined and prescribed by statute, specifically Utah Code Section 81-9-207. It provides that if it is necessary to protect a minor child and there is no less restrictive means reasonably available, a court may order supervised parent time if the court finds evidence that the minor child would be subject to physical or emotional harm or child abuse, as that term is defined elsewhere in the Utah Code, if left unsupervised with the non-custodial parent. The court must give preference to supervision under the Utah Code by a professional, individual, or private agency trained in child abuse reporting laws, the developmental needs of a child, and the dynamics of domestic violence, child abuse, sexual abuse, and substance abuse, unless such a professional is not available, affordable, or practicable under the circumstances, in which case the court must give preference to supervision by a non-professional individual who is capable and willing to provide physical and psychological safety and security to the minor child and to assist in the avoidance and prevention of domestic and family violence, and who is trained in child abuse reporting laws, the developmental needs of a child, and the dynamics of domestic violence, child abuse, sexual abuse, and substance abuse. And if such a non-professional is not available, affordable, or practicable under the circumstances, a court may order supervised parent time that is supervised by an individual who is willing to supervise and is capable of protecting the minor child from physical or emotional harm or child abuse, and such supervisors can include relatives. Unless the court finds that due to abuse by or the incapacity of the non-custodial parent, supervised parent time will be necessary indefinitely, the court shall, in its order for supervised parent time, provide specific goals and expectations for the non-custodial parent to accomplish before unsupervised parent time may be granted. And that can be requested by the supervised parent or simply scheduled to take place at certain future times.